Hey everyone, it's Rita, and today I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Creatively Miss Me and Diva Designing on a Dime. I will link their channels below as well as the playlist, and today's collab is the men in your life. We are to create a tablescape honoring the men in our life, and it should be something rustic, and it should also include a picture of the men or man in your life. Mine's going to be a little different today, so here we go. Everything is plasticware, and it is a boxing theme. I did DIY this boxing ring, and if you'd like to see it, just leave me a comment and I will put the DIY up. I didn't want to include it in this video because I didn't want to make it too awfully long. So here are the pictures, and this is my husband in the middle holding his hands up in a boxing position. The top picture up here is my husband, myself, two of my daughters, one of my sons. Over here we have myself, my husband, two daughters. And then the pictures in the middle to the right are some of our friends. And George is in the middle, and that's George and myself on the other end. Below that, there are a couple more of our friends with us. And this one is my husband and son boxing. And these down here, there are two of my sons to your right, my daughter, my husband, my other daughter, and the baby is the grandson. And here's another picture of them. So I'll give you some information behind this setting. My husband used to box, and there is a movie out about him. It's his life prior to me meeting him, and it just came out on Amazon Prime and iTunes. The name of the movie is Heart Baby. It's a really great movie. If you'd like to see it, check it out. I'll put links below. But I just wanted to honor him on Father's Day with this tablescape and something that he loves, which is boxing. So I'll just walk around and give you a closer look at everything I've placed on here today. And that is a big poster in the back of the movie. And on the boxing ring, I put in George Martin, Heart Baby Champion. And then this is a cross I picked up from Walmart, and of course I painted it and put family on there. Looks like my A's coming up, I need to fix that. And then I have a lantern behind that with a candle. The place setting, the plates came from Party City actually. Those are paper napkins I folded, and plastic tablecloth. Forks and spoons are from Dollar Tree. They are plastic. And then of course these glasses, which are plastic, came from Dollar Tree, and I just cut out some boxing gloves and Mod Podged on the front. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much to Stephanie and Kimberly for hosting the collab today. And I can't wait to see what everyone else has come up with. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video.